this is going to be an Empties video. I haven't done these in a while. Let me show you what I have. I do have some makeup, but also some like bath products, like some conditioners, just stuff that I use in the shower, but I'll leave that for last just in case you're not interested in that. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beautystyle, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm pretty much done with this mascara. I have like several tubes of these because I was obsessed with this one until I started trying like different ones, but I'll definitely repurchase this. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Volume Express Mascara. This is in the waterproof version. I sell this mascara in so many different versions, probably so old too. So I have another mascara. This one I did not want to get rid of because I haven't been able to see it again, but just look at it. I mean, this is so old it has to go. The Telescopic Mascara. This was so hyped. It's so good. It's so amazing. And just look at that brush. Well, they still sell the telescopic, but I don't know. Like, I haven't seen it in the waterproof version for some reason. From Wet n Wild. I haven't used this in so long, and it basically, this is for the brows. I used to use this before I discovered my Anastasia brow pomade. This is in 963 Ash Brown. I'm saying that it's pretty much empty and done because it comes with a wax, a powder, two different powders, whether you like it really dark or if you want to combine both shades. Once the wax is done, yeah, it's pretty much done. I don't even think you find this in the stores. That's how old it is. From Urban Decay, this is the primer potion, and this is like done. This completely like exploded on me. I don't know how that happened. It's probably that old but I'm just gonna say this is done. Like, and it's been open like this, so it's probably so dirty. And so yeah, this done. Hourglass, this is the Mineral Veil Primer. I've talked about this so many times. I've included it in my video of like the best makeup products for oily skin. This is one of them that I highly recommend. This primer is so good whether you're oily or not oily. This is fantastic the way it makes your skin feel. I really have to repurchase this, but I can't right now. This is so good. I have here this Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I've had like 2 of these. This one is done. Like, this was a small one that I bought to test it out first, and it's done. I like my Dramatically Different moisturizing gel better. It works good too. It says it's for all skin types. So this thing from Sephora, the Outrageous Intense Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. I don't remember when I got it, but it wasn't too long ago, maybe like 4 months ago. I didn't even get to use it. When I opened it, look at this. This is completely dry. I will never repurchase this again. What a disaster. I'm sure you can like wet it or do stuff to get the product to work, but that's just horrible. I never got to use this, and it was closed. It's not like I left it open, it dried up. Like, no, I never used it. Look at this. I really had high hopes. I love trying new eyeliners, but I have here the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. You know I love this. Actually, I've gone through a lot of primers. Yeah, so this is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I finished it a couple of months ago now. Yeah, but it's time to go. Like, I literally took like everything that I could from there. I love the mini. The big size is pretty pricey, but I would definitely buy the big size because now I know I love it. Here from Revitalash, this is a lash serum. You put it like at night before you go to sleep, or maybe during the day on top of your lash line, and this really helps your lashes grow. But you have to be consistent. It's not like, oh, I'm gonna use it and I'll stop. No, you really have to continue. But wow, your lashes really grow with this. It's pretty pricey though, so but it lasts a really long time. Scandinavia, this is the makeup finishing spray, oil free and paraben free. I love that it's in a little bottle like this, so I take my big bottle and I basically refill this. So I just wanted to show you that it's empty, but I'm not going to be throwing this away because I like to refill. Like, now moving on to the beauty stuff, and I have here these makeup removers. These are from Garnier. This is the Skin Active oil-free cleansing towelettes, and it says it's with charcoal and it's for oily skin. Once I put it on my face, it like stung. It was like burning. It was water, and right after it's like alcohol. So I don't know, it just didn't work for me. I'm glad they're done. I basically just used it like every time I did a tutorial. I would just like wipe the swatches with that. That's what I would use it for. This here jojoba oil, this is for your scalp. I use this so much. I try to use it every day. This hydrates and conditions. It soothes scalp, hydrates hair, light, non-greasy, and conditions. So ever since I got my keratin treatment, my scalp has been like all messed up. So I really like to put this all over my scalp, and I massage it like maybe 3 hours before I'm gonna shower, 4 hours. I do not sleep with any oils on my hair. Sometimes I don't just put it on my scalp, I also put it all over my hair, and I love how my hair feels when I come out of the shower. It doesn't take a long time like to get this off. Like I know when I used to use like coconut oil, I used to do like 3 shampoos to try to take that oil off. Is really good. This here from Bath and Body Works, did a Bath and Body Works haul for the semi-annual sale. I just do them twice a year. But yeah, this is a body scrub. I live for body scrubs. The way this makes my skin feel is insane. Purchased like 5 of them, so I still have like 3 left, but nothing else that I use makes my skin feel like that. And I did purchase new body scrub. So excited to try them. I'm glad I got like backups of that because I haven't seen that again in Bath and Body Works. Talking about Bath and Body Works, let me just mention this other thing here. This is a fine mist, and this is in the scent Cocktail Dress. And if you saw my haul, my recent haul, you know I just repurchased this. This is so good. Packaging is beautiful. It smells very like sexy, just like it says, like cocktail dress. It's like for the night. Is really nice. Have here this deodorant. If you saw my Amazon must-haves, you saw that I included this. This is just so cute, so discreet. It's from Secret. It's a little deodorant. If you look at it, it looks like the EOS lip balms in several scents. This is the green one. They have it in purple and blue, in pink. Oh my god, and they all smell so good, but a lot of people complain like that after you get to this section, like all of this goes to waste, like unless you're gonna like scoop it out. I just love it. It just looks beautiful. It's just not made the best. And I have here this conditioner. Oh my god. So this conditioner, I only am able to get it when I go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx. This is by the brand Amika. It's really good for your hair. You could always tell like the brand right away because it's this bright orange. 16 ounces of product, and this smells so good. Really, like I used up the whole thing. I do have like 4 backups of it because again, this is like discontinued. They do have different versions of this, but not this exact one. And this is the triple mask. Repairs, restores, and revitalizes. Intense treatment for dry or damaged hair. Never tried Amika products. I highly recommend. Here, one of my favorite face cleansers of all time. I am gonna do a video showing you like my favorite face cleansers, but this one, oh my god. And this is from Garnier, and it's the Skin Active line, and this is the Gentle Sulfate Free Cleanser. This has no sulfates, oil, soap, alcohol, or fragrance. For all skin types, even sensitive. And this is, you can get it like for $10, and it's like 13 ounces. This will last you forever. It's so gentle. Definitely be repurchasing this. I already have one in the shower. It's like halfway done. I have something from Olivia Care, and this is a tooth polish whitening powder. This was with turmeric and charcoal. I don't want to open it up because it could be really messy, but this was what I used to whiten my teeth with. I'm big on that. I found that when I use this very frequently, which they don't advise, if you use this really frequently, you can get some sensitivity. They had it with like turmeric and charcoal, I think coconut and charcoal, just different things, but I decided to try this one. I actually have a new one that I'm loving even more, but that one's like just charcoal. I also have charcoal toothpaste, but I just know how to like combine it now and not use it that frequently, so I don't have any sensitivity. My teeth are not like the whitest in the world, but I definitely drink a lot of soda. Well, let me not exaggerate. I don't drink a lot of soda, which I love, but I do drink coffee and juices, and all of that stings your teeth. So I like to do this like at least once, twice a week to like maintain and remove the stains. For watching, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!